Okay, though, so today is a PPI day. I'm not trading. My account is already locked. The only thing that I have is demo account, but actually I'm here not to trade, but I'm here to observe. What I want to observe is exactly what I want to see in next trading sessions where I am like totally aware of what's going on and to see the behavior that, for example, is not suited for my trading. So, in other words, I want to be in the position where me as a trader, if I have a statistically good day for trading, but like there's some type of price action that gives me uh, bad feeling, in, bad idea, bad something, and so that I could distinguish it right away. So, like today, what a nice level of mine. So right now, today is also I know I will not trade, so I will just observe for I don't know around 1 hour in case I wanna put a trade. I will take it on demo account, but probably I will just stay quiet and if that's the day where I like would be a winner, so it's okay. I still don't have any trades. I just want to watch exactly and see what am I expecting. So right now it's a good level for a bounce back. Let's see the first 5 minutes what they're gonna do. Are they going to come back to this zone where it's actually lots of volume been trading, and that's where I would actually um, if we drop down, I would long or short. I mean, according to my signal, but I'm just observing. I have nothing to show off today. Statistics says that this is a bad day for my setup. So, like right away, if we continue to chop in this range and we do not break out straight away in another 10 seconds, that means that it's gonna be a chop fest. Okay, so yeah. Oh, no. That's okay. For the upside, another 5 seconds or 10 seconds maximum I'm giving. Yeah, that's the liquidity. And can we? Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Okay, so right away from the open, you can definitely see what is going on. It's just a chop fest. Like we've went from red to green. Now we're going red again. And now we're pulling back. I mean, yeah, this is where I'm holding my buy signal. Maybe that's too far. Maybe that's too close. I don't know. But yeah, it's kind of a big, nice, good extension. We're coming back to highs and we probably coming back to CPI's low. CPI, okay. PPI open. This is where we probably could go, right? So, okay, it's a nice flush to the downside. At the beginning, it looked choppy, and it was choppy in this range. When took out these stop losses and orders here. Now there's lots of orders here being filled for the gap fill. And oh my goodness. Oh my good. I would. Nah, I don't have to see tick chart to know that this is a chop fest. And the ranges of pullbacks, I mean, they're crazy. I would be very cautious going short in this market overall since it's been going up. Well, yesterday was a wick. Today we might see maybe a drop down to this level. Maybe. I don't know. It's far away. I don't know. Oh my god, these wicks. Look to the upside. Went there. Definitely grabbed the stop losses and the orders. Or take profits. Went back all the way here. Now it's stalling. Will it continue to the downside? Maybe there's another leg, push leg down here and then reverse for the upside. You see if I would have 30 seconds to make a decision. So first of all, if I'm risking 500, I would be, it's like 60. So I'm around, oh boy, okay. 8 contracts. 7 to 8 contracts. Okay, it's not like that. It's 140 ticks. 7. What? Jesus, my maths are gone through the roofs, but I think it's around like for 140 ticks, 140 times 7 by 2, yeah, it's 7. It's 7 contracts, and here I said this is a place for longs, right? As I said, this is a place for longs. I wouldn't be short from here. And like correct at the moment. I'm in the profits. I will probably go for break even if I'm somewhere entered here, and I would be stopped out. Or there's a continuation to the upside. We don't know. But I would still leave my break even trade here. That's 140. It's a bigger range than ever, and to trade it on, for example, 200 risk, I would have to use 3 contracts. Also, to trade it on 250 risk, I would have to use 3 contracts, not 4 probably. So, okay, I was like long, yeah. Let's see if we can hit at least half of my target. Okay, and stop out. And coming back down. Okay, okay. I'm here just to observe, not to trade. And yet again, these are quite like it's possible, yeah, it's possible. I think it's possible to go down here. Would I put my order there? Like right now to sell with 7 contracts? It's really tempting. Like, it's a demo account, you have nothing to lose. But no. Yeah, my daughter. Yeah, I got silent, but not because I'm not in the trade, so I'm just thinking, like observing. Would I take a trade? Would I wouldn't? It's nice to be observer, not to be trader. And it's a mess. It's a total mess. This open is a mess. If I would have to bet, like I would say shorts are. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I have to care about it. Okay, so it's turning around. I would bet for longs right now. But also, look at yesterday. It was like here, then piano, then back, then I mean, we definitely could have played for the comeback to PPI Open just to fill this gap, you know. But from now on, can we sustain that drop to the downside? I don't know. Maybe we could again come back here for a reverse. I don't know. There's many things can happen. Okay, are these like there's quite enough of liquidity. I wouldn't say it's bad liquidity. What we see here, let's see. This open represents us like here buyers, here sellers. Here buyers, but sellers managed to push this down. The sellers are coming in. I mean, if I was here on the long, that would be very, very tight, like risk. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I wouldn't be comfortable in taking shorts here. Just taking consideration this whole market for this kind of uptrend. Okay, nice move to the downside. That was probably a winner from my strategy if I would be just taking it without any thinking, right? Or not look at the wicks, brother. Like this is not STEM. It just goes and takes what you've built. You know, all the if you wanna manage your risk, you put your like if you are short here, okay, you have no breathing room until here, and that's almost your full risk, and then you decide, okay, look, it went there. I'm pulling my stop loss right here at least, or it's 1.5 minutes maybe here because if it turns around here, it probably will get triggered that. And if this was gonna get triggered, then we definitely going at least to here, you know. So I would maybe put my stop loss even right here if I was short in this instance. So can what I can do, I don't know. If I was short, my stop loss would be here somewhere. If I would be long, I would be already on a break even. On GG boys. I mean, I would have been taken out. Again, for the third time. Lower lows, lower highs. That cannot go through this. You're in profits right now, this VWAP fight. Like there's so many pivots here. Here, 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 here. Up until almost we have to cross 1, 2, 3 minimum. Mm-hmm. 15 minutes opening range break for your information. Okay, it's gonna break because lots of people are playing this. And then what? Is there a follow through? There's no follow through. There is. But it can definitely come back to this. It's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like to hear at least. Just, we're running right. Look, this is barcoding, that's how it's called. I would move it to break even at this point since this market's so volatile. If we don't have any continuation to the downside, we're breaking these levels. Okay, that's definitely a moving to the break even. If I want to secure the profits, some profits, I don't know. I see the first bounce back of that, and this is, for example, I would want to be aggressive on that or not. Uh, there's another pivot. There's a big bounce off that pivot. I I have a like still overall 50 chance, but on PPI days it's 30% chance or even less. And it's the same scenario as yesterday probably. It will have a big wick to the downside and come back to the upside. Or let's see. There's still some there volume everywhere to the downside. There's still potential actually to go down. I don't want to move stop loss right now. I will move it. I will move it. Well, actually, if it's a VWAP, the VWAP tends to draw lots of liquidity. So I will just put in some profits, at least a little. If I would be in a short trade, right, to control it. Okay, so it's just 70 bucks or so, but it's still okay. Obviously, now it's very tempting to take off that trade because you see it's like 70% of my target, but can we break down still? Can we break? Okay, at this point, we're spending some time here, and by the looks of it, um, do I want to secure a quarter of my profits? No. Um, yeah, it's not looking good. 23,000, right? So we went through, went back, continuing to drop. 1.5 minutes left. If there's this wave, uh, mm, so right now it's struggling to continue to the downside. Mm, okay, I'm moving here. Just for the momentum, okay? Mm-hmm. 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 Come on, buddy. You can do it. Now the question is, will we have another wave to the downside to the 22,000s? Sraigė, o tu neneš čia jos, jinai nori gyventi lauke, gerai? Now it's time to decide actually if we want to move here. Grab ourselves, yep, 50% chance. We're still in this trade, and I'm securing 50% of my profits right now. But why I'm doing this? Because I think if we hit that, we definitely will come back to this, and if we come back to this, I think we're gonna go back to the VWAP, you know what I mean, you know what it is, how it is. Struggling. There's battle going on, and it looks like it might be still continuing to the downside and taking out my take profit. But now we're just in the pickle. Oh, come on, man. Just give it. Just give it, give it, give it. Yes, yes, 22,000. Come on, in play, in play. Let's go, boys. We still got juice. If it shoots straight up, I would be okay. It's gonna happen. Definitely gonna happen, right? Um. Mm, mm, mhm. Because considering liquidity injection. Nah, nah, negali. So I'm stopped out. I took into consideration the liquidity injection that was not happening into my favor, and because it looked like it's gonna be to the upside, and I thought that we like this is a big chance for taking this out. So if we do not straight away continue to the downside, there's a big chance that I'm gonna get stopped out right here, and also so that's why I moved my stop loss right here. So I would be on what, like 60% probably of my Okay, so that was 140, so I'm like on 90. Yeah, so that's a good take profit, I think, in this situation. hmm You see, I know NQ. That's the thing, you know. Okay, so and now let's think about this. Okay, it's overextended. I'm not taking it. I mean, like it dropped to here, and what I would expect another leg down. That's already a huge move to the downside. I wouldn't be comfortable in taking that. I wouldn't. I just wouldn't be comfortable in taking this trade. Now let's see what he has done. hmm And I was also thinking that if we take this out, we'll definitely come back to this one. And if we come back to this one, we'll definitely take out these ones. If, if. So it feels like I'm in the rhythm with NQ. Okay, so first of all, I was not tempting to take a short here. I probably that's where my I don't know bad things happen when you don't take the setup you need to take. I got stopped out for like 60% of my trade, right? It's not bad either. It was like 87. Let's calculate. 87 times 7. 609. Yeah, exactly 70, 60%. It still has some potential to take out my target, to be fair with you. It has juice to the downside. Somehow it's attempting to do that. And there's also liquidity down there. There's nothing to the upside. There's more to the downside. There's this gap of nothing. Okay, so would I be devastated if I would be in this one for 60% instead of 100?